নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, আমি গোপা চক্রবর্তী আবার নিয়ে এসেছি ইন্টারেস্টিং ফিউ সারিজ। শিবরি, আজকে আমি শিবরি নিয়ে একটু বলি। পরেও আছে কিন্তু আজকে আমি শিবরি। এটা একটা জাপানিজ আর্ট। আমরা দেখেছি না জাপানিজ কিমোনোতেও কিন্তু এই শিবরির এফেক্ট। দিস আর রিফাইন্ড টেকনিক অফ টাই অ্যান্ড ডাই। তাই আমি আজ একটু শিবরি নিয়েই ভাবি যে শিবরি দেখাই। শিবরি কিছু করিয়েছি আমি শিল্পীদের কাছ থেকে, সেই শিবরিগুলো নিয়ে এসেছি। ডিফারেন্ট ওয়েজ অফ টাইং দ্য শাড়ি, মেবি প্লিট করে অনেক সময়, দে স্টিচ দ্য শাড়ি সামহাউ টু রেজিস্ট ডাইং, টু রেজিস্ট দ্য টিপিক্যাল ডাইং। এগুলো অর্গ্যানিক কালার্স দিয়ে হয়। অ্যান্ড সামটাইমস they do tie and dye, then wax also they use sometimes to resist dyeing, stitching with needle, and there's a very interesting procedure. এগুলো খুব সুন্দরভাবে তৈরি হয়। আর sometimes they use the blocks, they clamp the blocks and তারপরে ডাই করে, ওয়াশ করে ডাই করে, and সেই জায়গাগুলো আবার রেজিস্ট ডাইং হয়। সো আই এম ভেরি ফ্যাসিনেটেড। অনেক দিন ধরে ইচ্ছে ছিল ভালো ডাই কোথাও পেলে আমি নিশ্চয়ই আপনাদের দেখাবো। অ্যান্ড শি ইজ দ্য ওয়ান, সুন্দর করে ডাইং করে। তো আমি ভাবলাম তার জিনিস একটু দেখাই আপনাদের। লেটস স্টার্ট। 1 নম্বর শাড়ি আমি মলমলে করিয়েছি। সো ইউ শুড বি প্রাউড। আমাদের এগুলো নিজস্ব মেয়েরা তৈরি করছে, women's enterprise। আরো ভালো লাগে তাই দেখাতে আমার। This is on a green. Sometimes you'll see the needle mark which is called nui shibori. Nui shibori টা হচ্ছে needle mark দিয়ে হয়, যেটা needles use করে। Stitch the cloth, pleat the cloth, stitch the cloth, এইটাই এদের process. So this is the shibori. These are original shibori, not from the market. Market you get to see the printed ones. They are the original ones, and on a very good malmal cloth we've used. And the price is also price for this is 2600 because of the workmanship. They will have to pay for their effort. This is a very refined process. Oh, this is so beautiful, so gay. This is for 2600 for a malmal. Hopefully we have a blouse piece. I'm not sure. Find out by ringing me. I think it has a blouse piece. I got the, yeah, maybe it is a running blouse piece. Okay, this is for 2600, dear. Pick up fast. A few pieces are with me now, but we will be making these. Look at this. These are original shibori, tie and dye ones, but in a different process. Typical process number 2. This is the achal part. You're wearing a painting, beautiful thing. And the material we have used the best of material. This is again for 2600. All my malls are for 2600. All malls are 2600, dear. Please subscribe, dear. It should reach to people, this type of work done by our women team. So beautiful. All with organic colors. All these have a blouse piece. 2600. 2600 for this shibori. Number 4. And the colors. Number 4. The cloth is pleated, while making. This is the shibori part. This is the nui shibori, and the other portion is pleated and then tied. They tie it on বাঁশের মধ্যেও করে, bamboo poles. They tie it, and then there's a procedure to resist the dyeing process. This is again for 2600. This is the blouse section. Oh, blouse nahi? Are you sure? Acha. She says there's no blouse piece with this. Number 5. Number 5. Look at the color scheme. Lot of effort again. When worn, it gives a very radiant effect. Very beautiful. I also wear a reddish kind. It's not my color, but still I thought I'll put it, and it is giving me a nice feeling. Lovely thing. All the sarees are so beautiful. This goes for again 2600. Pick up for the summer heat. It's so cool. And this is on the Taat cotton, Venkatgiri cotton. I keep using this cotton for all my all my dyeing. And shibori সব সময় original pure করতে হবে. If it is synthetic, it will just go away. The stain will not be as good as this. It runs away. এটা কি হলো? 3400. This is on cotton Taat. Taat cotton, 3400 for this shibori. All throughout. Achal is so beautiful. Yeah. 30. This is not the print. This is the original one. Number 7. Lovely color. First I thought I should take this. Then I thought no, it should go to you. Number 7. Number 7, look at this. This is again a different process. And for each spiral they use different methods. And once you see the the needle mark, then it's Nui Shibori. They're all stitched. This is for 3400, dear. All my Taat cotton goes for 3400. Hopefully, but I'm sure it has a blouse piece. This has a blouse piece. Taat cottons. No. You've shown the wrong side. This has a blouse piece. Yeah. This is the blouse piece, dear. And that's the achal. The sari is wrapped in a ulto. ठीक है. Doesn't matter. 3400 with the blouse piece. The Taat cotton is with the blouse piece. And eta number 8. And the royal look. Oh. Maybe I like shiboris or everybody likes shibori. Number 8. Number 8. Look at the smartness of the sari. Hats off. Hats off to our team. Hooray! ভীষণ ভালো. Beautiful effect. By hand. কদর করতে হবে যারা হাতে তৈরি করছে এগুলো. 3400 টাকা দাম. 3400 for this. Number 8. Number 8 and it has a blouse piece. Mix match করুন, যে কোনো জিনিসে পরুন. Oh, this is a lovely piece. One more. Don't get disappointed. A few more are there. And if you come to the store, I can show you a few more. Shibori in the spiral, circular way. They're all of different kind of effort. These are all hand shiboris. 3400 dear. Rich maroon chocolate, I think. No, this is chocolate color. Oof, বয়স হয়ে যাচ্ছে, কালারই বুঝতে পারছি না. 3400 dear. Look at the blouse section. আমি কি এক্সাইট করলাম আপনাদের এগুলো দেখিয়ে? They're so very beautiful. I'm so very happy to show you all. And we tried on a handloom cotton. This is on a handloom cotton. These are not the printed ones. Look at this. This is the archal part. This is I think double archal. This is like this. This is the double archal kind of thing. Oh, what I am wearing. It is like that. They also look nice. You should know how to carry a sari. And you are. You're so good at carrying a sari. ঠিক আছে. This is also for 3400. And I wanted to give you a different kind of thing. They are with machine shibori. This is machine shibori. A person from Rajasthan convinced me to take this, and he says to display his product. This is machine shibori, and I have highlighted a small bit of my touch here, and this is the machine shibori. Even here you can see the marks, needle marks, Nui shibori, and this goes like this. It's a pink shibori. This is on chanderi. This is on chanderi, and they are all, you know, nature inspired, nature related products. And this is for 5,900. 5,900 only. Please share the channel. Please do. Share korle. It will help me, help people to see their effort, their workmanship. Thank you so much. 5,900. Number 12. This is again one machine shibori. देखिए दी. Such a beautiful piece. This is on chanderi. Good quality chanderi. These are all mainly silk. Silk. This is all shibori work. And this is the archal part. Is been highlighted with some of our work. Integration again, Bengal, herringbone stitch. All throughout. It's a very smart one and best of cloth. This is again for this is also for 5,900. 5,900 for this shibori. This is our Bengal weave. Bengal weave. দেখুন এটা বেঙ্গল উইভ দেখাতে সব থেকে ভালো লাগছে আবার look at this it's all weaving আঁচল and the color sense of the artisans gray orange and pink beautiful combination they're all woven small booties. And it has a blouse section 3,200 for this piece. Lovely smart one. Look at the achal. 3,200. 100 count cotton. And ebar Begum Bahar. Begumpuri. Begumpuri sarees woven on linen this time. Weave is on linen. দেখুন এগুলো করা হয়েছে superior ones. Best of Begumpuris. Very traditional and what quality. Best of thing. This is for 2,800. Look at the smartness of the saree. 2,800. This linen costs 2,800 only. 2800 টাকা দাম। আরেকটি লিনেন দেখাবো আমি নাম্বার 15 very gorgeous border both the sides আমি ভিজুয়ালাইজ করতে পারছি যিনি পরবেন how grand it will look দেখুন কত সুন্দর শাড়িটা both the sides wide border on both the sides and very sober one pastel shades এটাও একটা লিনেন সমস্ত উইভিং করা হয়েছে these are all brought from Begumpur ash grey in color body all woven ones they're not power loom product this costs 3,600 dear 36 for this linen 3,600 number 16 I got so much response for this product this is cotton silk this is resham kota resham kotas are going for what we did you know we have done this kind of carving all cut work carving look at the achal part soft green in color with small checks woven and the border and the border goes like this the first half we have carved it we have made cut work and the second half for the fall we have not cut it this is like this and look at my embroidery how beautifully done up shall I fold it and show you the embroidery is so beautiful look at the embroidery This costs how much? 4800, dear. This is for 4800. Yeah, this kind. This is the blouse section. आंचल टा देखाओ तो. Such a beautiful आंचल. 4800 for this piece. Dressy ones. পুজোর সময় পরুন, এগুলো খুব ভালো লাগবে. And the mauve is in now. And this is similarly done up, all my embroidery work. This is again silk kota, silk cotton kota. Not at all transparent. Very beautiful one. Dainty motifs all throughout. You could visualize. And here goes the blouse with this. 4200. 4200, dear. This is number 18. A very pleasant one. Peach in color. এগুলো সকালে পরুন with the contrast blouse. Very beautiful. Look at the achal and the embroidery. পুরোটা খোলার দরকার this is like this. Okay, store খোলা আছে, কিয়াতলা store is open, Tollygun store is open, must make a visit. All precautionary method নিয়েই আমরা আপনাদের আনছি, নিশ্চিন্ত হয়ে আসুন। অল আর ভ্যাকসিনেটেড যারা কাজ করছে এখানে। দেখুন zari border tassel, only I got 2 of them. Hand painted ones, zari border tassel, pichwai effect. Zari border তসর গুলো lovely color. This is the pichwai effect, nondi. ওদিকটা দেখো। শরতের পদ্ম ফুল এখন তো দেখাতেই হবে, সব কাজেই কিছু না কিছু ছোঁয়া দেয়া হয়েছে। and it has a BP also. This costs 5,800. 5,800. Soothing green. Zari border tassel again. $5,800 for this piece. These are all hand painted ones, acid hand painting. Look at this, so very rich. 5,800. And again shibori. Shibori is done on katan this time. Shibori work on katan. Beautiful one. And this katan piece is going for 8,000. Shibori work on katan with the BP like this. These are all hand shibori on katan. Shoja. And the second half is like this. This is on a very good silk. This is number 22. And we have highlighted with hand kalamkari paisleys. All hand kalamkari paisleys are used to highlight the sari. This is the achal part. It shows like this. This is a very beautiful color and the combination. This is like this. This is for 9,000 here. This is also on a 3D. No, this is on the katan silk. Katan silk, embroidered with zari. This is for 9,000. And this is number 23. This is our gachi toshor, dyed one, dyed gachi toshor korano hoyeche, orange and very festive green. Kashmiri work. Kashmiri work. Kashmiri work ta ekটু bhalo kore zoom korte hobe. Show them properly the Kashmiri work. They are all hand embroidered ones. Look at the fineness of the work, refined work, intricate, beautiful, very colorful, all handwork. 11,000 for this sari. This is gachi tasar, 11,000, and there's a green blouse with that. I got so much response on Lambani. Lambani আবার একটা দুটো করে জমা হচ্ছে। Lambani effect. Look at this, so gorgeous. This is on charkha cotton. Very high quality cotton, all woven one, hand weave cottons, and the Lambani work, all very neatly done up. $10,200 for this sari, and the knots are tied like this to grace the sari. কি সুন্দর লাগছে, so good when worn. all throughout the same kind of work, and there's a border, and the sari costs 10,200 dear. 10,200 for the sari number 24. আজ শেষ শাড়ি দেখিয়ে দিলাম আমি আজকের জন্য। শেষ করছি ব্ল্যাক ওয়ান, আজকে the sari of the day. There's a black lambani calling you all. দেখুন কত সুন্দর লম্বানিটা, so beautiful. These are all on charkha cotton, so beautiful. And this is all for the day today. 10,200, 10,200 for this black lambani. Hurry up, fadafat. Pujar Bazaar. It will be over in no time, I'm sure. Be fast in booking. 10,200 dear. Stay blessed. Stay safe dear. Bye.